Hey guys, Smika here, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are going to be doing a little mini e.l.f. haul. I decided to pop in there because I haven't been there in a while and I ran out of one of my favorite moisturizers, daily hydration moisturizer, so I figured it's time to get a new one. Let me just pop into the store instead of buying it from like Walmart or whatever. That way I can go in and look around and see if they have anything new, if there's anything that I wanted to pick up other than my moisturizer. So with that being said, I did pick up a few things, not a lot, just a few little things. And first off, we're gonna start with this e.l.f. Hello Hydration Starter Set. And in this set, you get a daily face cleanser, an illuminating eye cream, and a daily hydration moisturizer, which is my favorite. And the girl in the store, convinced me to just get the starter kit. She says that she uses the eye cream and she really likes it. She could have just been saying that to sell it to me, but anyway, it worked. I bought the starter kit. I have not used the cleanser yet, but I did use the moisturizer before I put this face on. If you guys are interested in how I got this look, stay tuned. I do have a video showing how I created this look, so you guys can create the look too if you are interested. So the starter kit was $18, and it does come with all full-size items, and I believe the items are each like $8, so I guess you are saving a little bit of money by buying it as a kit. So next up, I bought this glow on the go selfie light, which is basically a selfie light. How else would I have explained that? It's basically just a selfie light, kind of like if you guys know the Lumi case that you can put on your phone, which the Kardashians made it very famous. It's basically a phone case that has these lights on it attached to it, which is a lot simpler, but this is also simple and easy. I think this one was on the receipt. It doesn't name the items, so I think this was $12. And basically, let's see if I can demonstrate it. And it does come with two AA batteries. So I just pull out this plastic piece, push that in. And she said it does come with 3 settings. So I don't know if you can see that there. It's on, then it gets brighter, and it gets a little bit brighter, and then it's off. Okay, so basically you squeeze here to open it, and then you just place it on your phone like so. Place it on your phone like so. Turn on the light settings to whichever setting you want, as you can see there. Off. 1, 2, 3 to whatever setting you want, and then you get your camera ready, and then you just take a photo. So this will just kind of help illuminate your face, and you can also just put it on the back if you're taking the photo of someone else. They can be popping too. Alright, so next up I picked up some pieces from the e.l.f. and Christian Siriano collection. I picked up the eyeshadow palette. And I also picked up a liquid lipstick. The lipstick was $6 and the palette was $12. I'm just going to go ahead and swatch the lipstick for you so you can see what it looks like. This is the color of the lipstick, which is a very bright fuchsia pink lipstick. The girl that had it on in the store, it reminded me of a ColourPop lipstick. I can't remember. I have it, I can't find it, but oh, it's More Better. When it dries down, it reminds me of ColourPop's More Better. So that is why I picked this one up. And this is the eyeshadow palette. I really have to say I do love the packaging on this. It makes it seem more luxe, like a luxury product, but it's e.l.f. It's affordable, it's cute. That's really what drew me to picking this up, because the packaging is just so cute. So it comes with 6 colors and a highlight shade. I wouldn't personally use this highlight shade because it's too white and I think it would look very ashy on me, but this is what the colors look like. And just for reference, I was really surprised at this because it is actually very pigmented. These are just 3 of the brighter colors in the palette, and I'm really impressed at how pigmented this actually is. The look that I have going on my eyes today is actually from this palette, and I have to say I'm really impressed. This, I believe, was $12, and it also comes with a brush. This is what the brush looks like. It's kind of messy because I did use it to create this look here, but it kind of has like a blending brush situation at this end, and then just an all over shadow brush at this end. And surprisingly, it didn't do a bad job at blending out the shadows. That's the only brush that I used to create this eye look, so I think it did pretty well. Okay, and so the very last item that I picked up from E.L.F. was this E.L.F. blush, which is in the color Berry Merry. And you guys, their small blushes like this are only $3. I think $3. I'm pretty sure it's $3. This is what the blush looks like, and it also has like a hint of shimmer in it. And I'm also kind of wearing just a little bit of this blush on top of my MAC Raisin blush as well in this look. So yeah, that is my mini E.L.F. haul. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys are interested in picking up any of these items that I did purchase, I will be sure to have it linked down below so you guys can get your hands on them, and I will be sure to list the prices of everything just in case I kind of mixed up the prices a little bit. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button. I think it's over here. I think it's gonna be over here. It's gonna be over here. Just click that subscribe button to join the family. Do not forget to turn on your notifications bell, that notification bell just below here, so that you guys are notified anytime I upload a video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.